Hey, where are we staying right now?
We're in Calvert City, Kentucky.
What's the name of our campground?
I think it's Kentucky Lakes
KOA.
KOA in Calvert City, Kentucky.
Okay, so we're about to take a little tour of the campground, get some after dinner exercise since it's now.
Yeah. We're gonna walk around too.
Yeah, since it's like not 99 anymore, maybe it's 97, 95, who knows? Give you an idea of what this campground looks like. Hey.
Hi.
Trying out a new camera. Actually, it's not a new camera. It's our son's camera he used on one of our was it our very first video or second video?
To be honest with you, I don't know.
Okay, we're gonna try it out. Thank you. Okay, so we are at campsite A7. It's on the end. You have a lovely view of this field where they chop logs. But it is shaded. It's pretty nice because it's hot outside.
Really hot.
Really hot.
It's like 93 right
93.
now. And it's like 7:15.
Okay.
So it was almost 100 earlier. Heat index 106. Something like that.
Ooh, really? Okay. Right here on row A, you have your dump station. Not drinking water, good to know. There we go. Oh, what a pretty pond. Very lovely. And down here we have a dog park where you can go walk your dogs. Pets are allowed here as long as they're on the leash. You can't leave them alone outside. Oh look, there's somebody walking her dog. Can't tell if you can tell. Just wondered what you were taking pictures of. Just wondering what you were taking a picture of. Awesome. Here we have the office, and like every other KOA we've been to, they led us to our site with a golf cart. Very, very pretty. Looks like they have a store. And over here, we've got a really nice gazebo picnic area, covered. It has lighting, it has ceiling fans. Very nice. And then we have a swimming pool. And there's people in it, so I'm not going to film very much. So down this way we do have, there's some cabins. I don't want to go too close because there's people in there. And some tent camping sites. It looks like there's someone there parked at a tent camping site. And someone at the cabin. It's kind of nice because they overlook this pond right here. Or these two anyway. You have a really nice, relaxing view.
Our stay at Kentucky Lakes KOA was awesome. It was just full of lots of amenities. So if you want a great place to stop off near I-24, going through Calvert City, Kentucky, near Kentucky Lakes, and the other lake, I can't remember the other lake, and then the land between the lakes, this is a great place to stay. There's 41 campsites, 3 cabins, 10 tent sites. It's got free Wi-Fi. There's a pool, bathrooms, great shower facilities, laundry. So you don't want to miss this KOA at Kentucky Lakes. The sites were mostly level, and we got in there real easy, got out, didn't even have to unhook. And so it was an awesome place for an overnight for us, but it'll be an awesome place for a longer stay as well.
Hey, thank you for watching this episode of Our American Travel. We hope you enjoyed our brief review of the Kentucky Lakes RV Park near Paducah, Kentucky. I'm sitting here right now in our dining area of our Grand Design Imagine 2500 RL. We're in the middle of our second annual extended RV trip. Just enjoying taking it easy. We've seen some things, but we've also done a lot of relaxing. As always, we'd appreciate it if you would like and subscribe to our video, and any comments you have, any other great places to stay in the Kentucky Lakes area, we'd love to hear about it.